morning, everyone. We are at John L. Scott on Bainbridge Island. I'm Elizabeth Ozimek, and this is Carly Tizano. Carly's going to talk to us about her company and business and how it can help all of you in your real estate needs. So tell us the name of your company.
My business is MasterPeace Organizing.
Okay, fantastic. And what is MasterPeace Organizing?
MasterPeace Organizing is a full-service home and life organization company. So we help people take whatever's stressing them out in their lives and get rid of that problem so that they can spend their time doing the things that they really want.
Yeah. So essentially, I have a client. They bought a house that they love, and now it's time to move. When do you step in?
Well, we can step in really on either side of the process. So if they're moving from here to somewhere else, we can come in on the front side and help them get everything decluttered and organized, ready for the movers to come in and pack them up and move them to their new home. And if they're moving within the county or they're moving here from somewhere else, we can come in and unpack all their boxes, get it organized, and establish systems from day one so that they aren't living there for 2 years and still have some boxes piled up in the garage, and we can really set them up for success.
Nice. I know I had a 2-bedroom condo at one point, and we only needed one. So that was unpacked, and the other bedroom was boxes until we moved out. So that is very helpful. What, I guess, part of that whole scenario is moving. Do you have a moving company, or are you partnered with one, or how does that?
We do have some ones that we've worked with in the past and that we're familiar with. So a lot of times our client already knows what moving company they want to work with, so we're totally flexible working with them. But if they don't know or they want some direction, we're happy to give suggestions. And a lot of the times if they are working with a specific company, they don't let us pack the boxes because the mover company's insurance has to cover it, and it won't cover it if the moving company doesn't pack the boxes. But if our clients are just planning to get a U-Haul themselves, then we're more than happy to help them with that packing.
Nice, very nice. So that's good to know, that if you hire a professional moving company, that they need to do the packing, but you can coordinate with them.
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome. Let's see, what's your fee structure? How do you work with clients on that?
Yeah, so we work a couple of different ways. With someone who's moving into a new home, we just do it kind of starting at a flat rate. So our flat rates, our starting point for our move-in packages is $2,000, and then we go up depending on the size of the new property you're moving into. Otherwise, if we're just working with you on general organizing or decluttering, we work in 3-hour sessions, and we sell packages of sessions. So the more sessions you buy, the bigger discount you're going to get on our services.
Very nice. And what do you see the clients need help with the most? Like, what's the biggest service they request from you?
A lot of people really just need help setting up those systems because they have everything in their house and they just don't know the way to optimize it to make it really work for their family. And we really want to set up systems that they can maintain themselves to keep everything organized so they know where everything goes and how to keep those things going in the long term.
So a little interior design in there? Is that
there is sometimes. I mean, sometimes it's the couch needs to move because it does not work for your family to have it right here. But a lot of times it's the smaller things like, why did the dishes, are they way over there when your dishwasher is over here and it takes twice as long to unload your dishwasher?
Interesting. I never think of those things. Just like, here, put them away. Awesome. Well, a fun question to wrap this up is, what is your favorite store? Because you have to have some amazing organizing ones.
Yes. Well, I think all organizers' favorite store is the Container Store. There's just...
Is that what it's called?
Yes, it's called the Container Store. So our nearest one is over at South Center Mall. But you can also order stuff online, and if you love organizational supplies and tools and tricks, then you'll just get lost in that store. And online, it's just incredible.
All right, I'm going to go have to check it out. Thank you so much, Carly, for coming. Again, we're at John L. Scott on Bainbridge Island. This is Carly Tizano with MasterPeace Organizing, and I'm Elizabeth Ozimek. Have a good one. Bye.